Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, steaming hot, just finished, we're going to make a meat sauce. So this meat sauce can be used for lasagna, for spaghetti bolognese, stick it in jacket potatoes, on some other sort of pasta if you like. Really kind of basic method here. Onions, garlic, dried herb, oil, salt, pepper, ground beef and our tomatoes. Very easy. Had lots and lots of emails and messages about this one. Let's go and do it. Okay, meat sauce. So here we go. So I've got here 1 can of passata or tomatoes. You could just use tin tomatoes if you want. That's so it's like 400 ml. I've got ground beef here, or minced beef, whatever you call that, like 1 pound or half a kg. 1 medium onion chopped, 2 teaspoons of garlic chopped, tomato paste or puree or concentrate. That's like one of those little kind of Tetra packs. That's like 135 grams. Like a teaspoon there of oregano, or you could be using a different dried herb if you want. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil, add some salt and pepper. That's about it. It's quite easy, this one. So a small little pan here, touch of olive oil in there. We're going to go straight in with our meat. And what I want to do is throw that around in the pan on a kind of medium heat for about 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. It'll break down really nicely. Okay, that's like 4 or 5 minutes, as you can see. It's changed colour, breaking down. What we're going to do now is add some salt, some black pepper, our teaspoon of oregano, or up to you what you want to use, our garlic, and our onion. In that goes. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of moisture happening here. What we're going to do now is, on a lively heat, cook this for about another 4 minutes. What should happen is our onions and garlic will start to cook, and this should dry out a little bit. It will evaporate off. Keep stirring. And there we go. Onions, garlic and seasoning all in there now. As you can see, fairly dry from that moisture that the ground beef produced. Very simply, we're going to go in with that passata, or you could just get a can of tomatoes and kind of chop it up fairly finely. That's so 1 can, which is about 400 ml, and then our tomato paste or concentrate is like 135 grams there. Like I say, one of those very small kind of little Tetra packs. Okay, we're going to lower the heat now, not to a simmer but above a simmer. We're going to mix this in, and simply we're going to let it go for about 8 minutes now. Give it a stir every now and then, and our meat sauce will be complete. Okay, and there you go. That's kind of got a deeper red as it cooks out. Fantastic. Check that for salt and pepper. It's going to be great for me. And that's it. A nice, easy, basic meat sauce or pasta sauce, whatever you want to use that for. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.